Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hey everybody, this is a cute little box that I'm going to share how to make. The lid tucks on the inside, and the reason why there's such a large lip on this one is so that the box lid won't collapse. Do you like this paper? It is a new product that I just got my hands on, and of course I actually get products ahead of time before they go out to the general public, and I was able to order this. This is actually being released I think next month for customers. It's a pre-release. It's called the Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper. I actually really like this old olive version. It comes with a matching, well, it's a whole suite, so it comes with a matching ribbon, and the paper is so fun. I'm just sharing a little bit of it with you. If you are interested in getting these products, so there's a stamp set and some dies, and it's a crazy product suite. But some of it is gold foiled on the back. Not all, but some, like this one. I think I'm going to be doing an online class with this suite, and for sure I'm going to have a lot of extra inspiration. That's also lovely. And I really liked the gold foil. I really liked the daisies. It's cool. It comes with 2 different dies, 2 different stamps, 2 different ribbons, an embossing folder, this paper, some of these really cool gems. They are called gilded gems. So really sparkly and very faceted. So yeah, if you like this sort of thing, there'll be lots of inspiration coming to you this way. But so this is my prototype, and this is how I created the box. Opens like that. I have my trimmer here. I'm going to just do everything with the trimmer. So this is 8.5 by 11. So on the long side, what we're going to do is we're going to score at 2. 2, 4.5, 6.5, and 9. Gonna flip it round, and I'm going to score at 2 and 6.5. So 1 sheet of paper. And for those of you who were questioning, I have now just changed my trimmer blade. So that was a long run. All right, I am going to fold and burnish my score lines, all of them. I have a punch here, and what I want to do is I want to create a little bit of a thumbnail lip like this. So that means I'm going to have to put my paper on first. I'm going to cut up on all of my score lines, and I'm going to wedge out. So I think this is the side that I'm going to do a punch. So I have a designer series paper. Make sure that your orientation is correct. So this is the Parisian Blossom Specialty Designer Series paper, and that was sized 1 7/8 by 4 3/8. Now, what I'm going to do very, very quickly is I'm going to just measure it in half. So, and I'm going to take my punch here and I'm going to give that little nail hole so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I've marked just with a pen. I don't need too much, but I need to have it just enough. There we go. If you have a circle, that would work too. I don't have one that matches. Okay, so this orients us. So that means that this is the front of the box. So I am going to cut up and wedge on this piece. I'm going to cut up and wedge on the middle piece. This next piece, I'm cutting up. I'm going to wedge this piece, and I'm going to cut that one in half. I'm going to remove this piece completely, and I'm going to give this a very tiny wedge. Okay, so very tiny wedge on this score line, and remove this whole piece. And I might as well wedge in on this piece as well. All right, and then remove this halfway, wedge here, straight up. Straight up, and wedge. Okie dokie. So you should have something that looks like that. So I am going to put some adhesive down this piece, and this piece. So I'm folding in, and I will take this piece here and this piece. I'm going to take these guys up. Oop, got glue on my table. I hate that. It gets everywhere. Alrighty, and now there we go. So now you can see how it all is put together. So those flaps just keep, these flaps just keep whatever inside the box pretty much. And this flap will keep the lid from caving in. Right? Okay, so now we need sizes. So the designer series paper for the lid is 2 3/8 by 4 3/8. Fits nicely. I love this paper, by the way. 2 for the sides here. Make sure that your orientation is correct. It is 1 7/8 tall and 2 3/8 wide. And I did say the front and the back are exactly the same. 1 7/8 by 4 3/8. So that's just another one here. And for this one, like I tied a ribbon around. For this one, I just have this bow, and I think I'll do the same. Oh gosh, that's cute. Very pretty. So pretty. All right, so I have a little bit more embellishment on this one. I kind of just like the paper having a voice on this particular one. So cute, so pretty. Really like these size boxes. The fact that the lip is as full as the front piece makes it an exceptionally sturdy box. Like it's not going to cave in, and I love that little feature. All right. That's all I have to share with you today. Hope you liked the little sneak peek, and hope that you can use a sizable box like this, maybe for Easter. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.